In this video we're going to look at how you can go about undoing a progress button that you may have clicked accidentally. So for example, we're here on the VAT job 31st July 16 for 100 Club, and maybe I'm going to click info requested and then I'll click info received. So if we suddenly realise we're actually on the wrong job card, it's very straightforward. You'll see the undo button appear here and you can undo your previous step, and then you can undo the step prior to that one and all the way back to being back at the start of the job. So that's pretty straightforward. So just a couple of quirks to point out with this. If you click a progress button that triggers a workflow action, so for example job started here I think will trigger a workflow action set a target date in the finalize stage. Let's do that. There it is. Then the undo button cannot reverse the effects of those workflow actions. So if I undo that button, you'll see the target date is still there. Fairly straightforward. If it's target date, you could just delete that target. If the target is set to be read-only, then the partner or the manager could delete that date from within the edit job section. Same thing applies to other workflow actions. So for example, if the current holder of the job has changed, you could either change that back if you were to have a drop-down box here for the current holder, or again the partner or manager could do that within the edit job area. Final thing to mention is if you get all the way to the very end, let's go ahead and do that. Yeah, let's go that one, that one, that one. Okay, your job is marked as complete. You no longer see the undo button. So at this point you would need to be logged in as the partner or the manager, or of course the super user as I am here. And what you can do in the edit job area is you can actually just move that stage back into the in progress part of the workflow. And from then you'll have your undo button back. So you can then scroll all the way back to the start. Okay, that's how to undo errors.